The Korean skin is renowned worldwide for its smooth and glowing appearance, often making it challenging to determine a woman's age accurately. They seem to effortlessly maintain a youthful look, with a 50-year-old appearing as if she's in her 20s. If you desire that radiant Korean glow, watch this video till the end. There's something special about their skin, and today, I'm excited to share an amazing Korean massage cream that I've prepared for you. Just a 10-minute massage with this cream will leave your skin shining like never before. Taking inspiration from the Koreans, who have mastered the art of skincare, I've included their favorite ingredient from salons that promises outstanding results. Before we delve into the incredible Korean beauty secret for eliminating dark spots and pigmentation, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay tuned for more exciting content ahead. Now, let's dive into today's video, unveiling an affordable and easily accessible beauty secret straight from the kitchen. First, let's explore its benefits before moving on to the preparation process. The primary ingredient in focus is white rice, readily available in your homes. I am taking fresh aloe vera from my garden. You can use store Aloevera Gel too. Aloe vera leaf and allow it to sit for a while for the leaf to release thick green slimy juice to ooze out. This slimy juice causes skin allergy. Please take your time to wash it off properly before using. If you don't have aloe vera plant, you can use store-bought aloe vera gel or check my link in description below on how to make aloe vera gel at home. I am using aloe vera gel made at home. Take 1 cup of rice and wash it properly. After washing the rice, add 2 cups of water and allow it to soak for 2 to 3 hours. Rice is completely soaked now. Rice water too has its nutrient, so we will not throw the water away. Take a mixer grinder and grind the rice to fine paste. After grinding, strain it with a muslin cloth. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Strained rice can be dried in sun and used as scrubber. Now we will take this rice milk in a pan and heat it in a low flame. Make sure you keep stirring it until it has thick consistency, to avoid burning of milk. It will take 5 minutes to reach to this consistency, after which you can transfer it to a bowl. Transfer this rice milk pudding to a bowl. In a bowl of rice milk, add 2 teaspoons of almond oil. Add 1 teaspoon of castor oil. This is the fresh aloe vera gel made at home. You can check the link in description below. Add 1 leaf of aloe vera grind pulp or 4 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Now blend all the ingredients well. Once it's blended with all the ingredients, you will see it's having smooth silky texture without any lumps. You can also use the blender for blending the ingredients together. Remove tanning of the skin. While skin is lightens, brightens it, ensuring you achieve clear and radiant skin. It helps reduce dark spots, pigmentation, and shows no signs of aging. It is a blessing for your skin, providing super moisture and delivering a clear complexion. You can store it in a jar and refrigerate it for a week. Apply this rice mask on face. If you haven't filtered rice, its properties will exfoliate, effectively removing dead cells and eliminating blackheads. It takes your glow to the next level from the very first use, providing a super shine. It works wonders on dark spots and pigmentation. Using it will reduce wrinkles and fine lines, making them seem non-existent. The ingredients are truly amazing, and you're well aware of their benefits. I always advise using it only 2 or 3 times a week. Exceeding that can harm the product's properties. If we found something excellent, it's crucial not to overdo it, otherwise, we risk compromising its effectiveness. The cream's standout feature is its versatility. It can be applied not only on the face, but also on the body. Apply it, massage for 10 minutes, leave it on the face for another 10 minutes, and then rinse. It will lighten up your skin. You can use it up to 3 times a week without any issues. Give it a try today. It's an amazing Korean beauty secret. How did you find the video? Let me know in the comments. I'm eagerly waiting for your review.